Nobody told me the roads to Marcilla Beach were gonna be like this.
Oh, reborn baby. Oh, this is crazy, man.
Map said 42 minutes ride, but on Christmas Day, it's in a complete survival mission. Good morning and Merry Christmas. Another sunny day in paradise in the Philippines. Today I'm gonna go visit Marcilla Beach. It's about 42 minutes to get roasted with the sun. Look at that weather. Hot. Right. Look at these pristine concrete smooth roads, high speeds, wind in my face, and at this exact millisecond I genuinely believed I was the smartest travel creator alive.
What a feeling! Christmas Day in the Philippines. Merry Christmas. Yeah. After the wheels start spinning. So fortunate, no rain at all.
This is the map to Marcilla Beach. Google Maps told me it was beautiful. Easy 45 minutes drive from Coron Town. Simple, right? It lied. It wasn't 45 minutes. It wasn't 55 minutes. It took an hour and a half. An hour and a half of loose gravel, massive rocks, and me holding on to my poor Vespa for dear life while inhaling 2 pounds of Palawan dust. If you want to find paradise, apparently you have to vibrate to organs.
Definitely come back earlier. Don't want to come back in the dark with these roads. Take chances in the day. It's a church. Jesus is Lord. Hallelujah. Glory to God. There's so many sorry shops open. The good thing is they're stocked on petrol. So if I do run low. So similar to Thailand, where you get a litre bottle. I think in Thailand it might be Jack Daniels bottles, but yeah, it's Coke bottles, what I saw. I was really on empty tank, exploring. So fortunate to stop at the sorry shop and ask the youngster. He was directing me to the sorry shop to get some petrol. There was 21 miles and 21 kilometers away from town center from Coron. So I wouldn't want to be in that situation in the middle of nowhere. And the more you go out into Coron, the more beautiful it gets. Away from town, from the hustle and bustle. It's always nice to hit the road and see the countryside. Oh, look at those mountains. Wow. Super nice. Oh, it's so pretty, man. Oh, they just stop here. Get some Marcilla Beach, sorry, yeah. It's
This is our property.
it's beautiful, huh?
Yeah.
Is your, how old is the pig?
What's this? Male.
Oh, it's a male, yeah,
Yeah.
The aggressive.
Some
Or is,
neighbors going there to make a pay for the
lechon?
no pay for the
Damage.
for the like this.
Oh, okay.
Because what's this?
Yeah.
Buy some property. Just went here.
Okay.
That's for sale.
How much is the property going for?
This one, 500 pesos per square meter.
Oh, 500 and how many? Oh, yeah. That's really cheap.
Yeah, 500.
500.
This area.
But in Philippines, you can't buy, you can buy land but not property.
If you have a Filipina,
Oh, okay.
yeah,
You need to get a Filipina first, huh?
or you can pay corporation.
Oh, yeah. I heard of that one, yeah.
Yeah, corporation or some foreigner. Yeah, when you buy the.
Yeah, that's right, yeah. Okay.
If you want to lease something.
Yeah, that's true.
Arrangement for lease like that.
Yeah, that's
But
true.
you pay That area.
Yeah, like 50.
This is my Hassan's house also.
Yeah.
The property until there.
So do you have like, oh, you got a little stream there and pigs?
Yeah, the fish,
Oh, fish. What type of fish do you have?
tilapia.
Oh, tilapia. Yeah, very common.
Now there's a cow. Cow.
Oh, you got a cow.
And,
Oh, or buffalo.
yeah, buffalo.
Oh, buffalo. Nice.
Cow and buffalo.
Yeah.
That's goat. And then lots of pig over there.
Yeah.
Pig. And,
Oh, and you even got a Doberman.
Doberman.
Oh, I had a black Doberman.
Yeah.
This is a brown one. I love them.
And brown.
Yeah.
That's it's not no.
He's the best security dog.
Security guard. If that's the gate is closed, nobody can enter.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for sure. Or maybe the pig is more aggressive, huh?
But there's a pie.
Oh, you got a shock?
Yeah, here. Just move up. Pregnant. That one.
Oh, that one is having a nap.
Also, I put there because it's too hot. So
Oh, okay.
water is important.
How many? When they have babies, how many babies do they have?
12, 15.
Oh, wow. Okay. So
Water there here, even summer. You can drink there.
it's fresh, yeah, from the
Fresh.
mountains.
Yeah, we drink. Free.
Self-sufficient, exactly.
No chemical.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
That's up here. I say, wow. Look at this, the tree, and you got a little stream. You got the pigs, and chickens. Of course, you got chickens.
Yeah,
and
we have a chicken. Yeah, over there. That's a fighting chicken.
oh, the roosters. Yeah, you know when I went down to the marina and I came back, I saw everyone carrying them.
Now, because now is Christmas.
Yeah, they have
Lots
fights.
of cockfighting.
Yeah.
They cockfighting over there. Lot of cockfighting. Street only for the food. Yeah.
See there, with a buffalo over there. See you, God bless. You're welcome. Oh, the good road ends and we're back on sand road. Alright. The only problem with this is when you drive on it, it's slippery and you get your worn away paths where you got dips and crevices, so you drive carefully. Wow. I think the road's gonna get a bit better though. Slippery. Actually, two little kids, not newborn baby. Oh, this is crazy, man. That is crazy. Bike. Oh, this looks steep, man. Yeah, it's scary, to be honest. Quite a steep hill. Oh, careful. It's always loose sand here. You don't want to go over this cliff. That's quite a drop. That's scary, man. That's a massive drop. Oh, it's a bit slippery on those rocks. Oi. That's a massive drop. Oh, it's a bit slippery on those rocks. Oh, thank goodness. We got some back on the normal road. That was short-lived. Back on the dirt road again. Aye, 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 aye. Come to Tabble Sit Hiding Spring. That's a little brook. Little table. Relax a bit. Interesting. Nice little spring. Oh yeah. Be careful, man. Yeah, maybe it would have been better to go by boat. But I don't know if anyone's working on Christmas. I can't imagine family trying to steer on the motorbike on this road. It's tough. And a little baby. We can have a look. Wow, look at that. Look at that view, man. You can see in the far distance there's a small island. Not sure what it's called, but I'll read in the title to the bottom. You can zoom in a bit. Yeah. So we're about 10 minutes away. 10 minutes away from Marcilla Beach. And to say the least, I didn't think it was so challenging, these roads. And I'm glad it's not raining, because then it'll be mission impossible. But the views here, absolutely stunning from above here. So hopefully the beach doesn't disappoint. Alright, let's get going. There's a lot of rocks. Just have to be careful. Oh. Solid road. I'm loving it. Woohoo! I thought the whole way is going to be just sand road. Oh, definitely these type of solid roads, man. And it's such a steep hill.
Finally, the road stops trying to break my spine, and I roll in Marcilla Village. Honestly, feels like completely unreal. The journey out here was absolute epic nightmare. But passing these quiet houses, the air just changes. I am so elated, I can't finally stop gripping the handlebars, relax and cool down. But as I drive this very last mile, one giant question is looping my head. After everything my Vespa and my body just went through, is the beach actually going to be worth it?
Marcilla Beach. cool. It's like the exclusive golf course. Single lane for motorbikes. Yeah. So here we are. Hard to get.
Welcome to Marcilla Beach. No tourist crowds, no massive resorts, no noise, just completely raw, untouched beauty. Standing here looking at these mountains crash right into the ocean, the hour-and-a-half nightmare road just fades away. It's just pure peace, pure calm. Sometimes the hardest path really do lead to the most beautiful, forgotten corners of the world.
Merry Christmas.
Swimming across. We're gonna go relax at the jetty. As I look across the water to the far side of the beach, watching the locals swim and just enjoy this quiet afternoon, it hits me how special this place really is. There are no tourist traps here, no crowded boat tours, just community, mountains and open sea. Thank you guys for joining me on this crazy, dusty adventure out of the edges of Coron. Wasn't the easiest route, but the best ones really are. So looking at the view right now, after an hour and a half, pure off-road chaos, was it actually worth it? I will let you decide. Drop your thoughts in comments below, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you and take care. Bye bye.